Hello everybody, Papa T back again, and we are now...
So cool.
No, don't interrupt them, don't interrupt. We are out here with the love beetles. And in fact, this is a little peep show going on right now. While, oh look, you did a little poopy on your hand. While these two lovebirds here are at it making baby beetles. Oh, that guy flew away. He got bored with the show. But now, let's take a look. Love boat, the love boat. But it's not just them that are making baby beetles. Come. You like that one? Love boat? Love boat, it's the love boat. We're gonna, Zando Zulu is calling, and we're gonna just hang up on him because we're deep in some investigations of love making a la beetle.
Let them have fun.
They're definitely having fun. Doesn't that look like
a fun moment?
Doesn't that look like fun? Look. Oh, what do you think? Who's on top? The male's on top, right? Where are you going, Tio? Come back.
I have no idea.
No,
I don't know this.
Okay, well let's think about it. Let's observe. So the guy's on top. He's the more colorful one with the green and everything. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh, look at that. And he's kind of just resting. I guess he finished and now he's just like, whoa.
Ejaculated.
Relax with the vocabulary. There's kids watching this. But it's true. This is what it's called. It's called an ejaculation, everybody. But like I said, they're not the only ones, right? So I spotted another couple not too far away in the other side of town that is actually hard in the process. Oh yeah, look at this. That's cool. Oh, well, let's get a little focus on here. Oh, hello. Oh, this guy's even sweating. This guy's sweating bullets. Let's see if we can focus in on... Oh yeah, he's sweating. And just so you know that there is a female under there. It's too cool. So yeah, that's the day in the life of these guys over here. Let's see if I can get a nice kind of focus in on him. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Too cool. I really love doing these videos. I'm gonna keep doing them. Till next time.